A really deep, existentialistic, epistemological, and ontological question. Existentialism studies existence. Epistemology deals with the knowledge of existence. So, and it's an ontological. So, coincidences and synchronicity in terms of, and remember, this discussion is about awareness, awakening, and enlightenment. But we have to explore existentialism, the nature of reality, the nature of existence, epistemology, the knowledge of this interpretation of this existence, metaphysics, mind and matter, substance and attribute, immaterial, material, intangible, tangible, inorganic, organic, animate and inanimate. So coincidences now is like from an existentialistic standpoint, it's a glitch. It's an irregularity in nature.